What if I told you that you already have the power to manifest your twin flame? That your union isn't something that exists outside of you, but is already within you, waiting to unfold. Neville Goddard, one of the greatest teachers of manifestation, taught that reality is simply a reflection of your inner world. In today's video, we'll break down how you can use his teachings to align with your twin flame and bring them into your life. So, if you're ready to step into the power of your imagination and create the love that you desire, stay with me until the end. Neville Goddard's teachings are centered around one powerful truth: imagination creates reality. He taught that everything we experience in the physical world originates from our thoughts, beliefs, and, most importantly, our assumptions. In his own words, he says, "Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and persist in that assumption, and it must come to pass." So when it comes to manifesting your twin flame, the first and most important step is to assume the feeling of already being with them. You don't chase, you don't wonder when or how they'll show up. Instead, you shift into the state of already being in that deep, spiritual, and loving connection. The law of assumption states that whatever you assume to be true will eventually harden into fact. If you believe love is hard to find, it will be. If you believe your twin flame is out of reach, they will be. But if you assume that your twin flame is already in your life, reality will rearrange itself to make that assumption true. So how do you shift into that state? Imagine it. Live it in your mind. Feel it as if it's already happening. Neville taught the power of mental rehearsals, using imagination to create a scene that implies your wish is fulfilled. Close your eyes and picture yourself with your twin flame. See the details, the way they look at you, the way their hand feels in yours, the sound of their voice. More importantly, feel the emotions: peace, love, security. This is how you plant the seed of your desire in the subconscious mind. One of Neville's most powerful techniques is SATS, S-A-T-S, or the state akin to sleep. It is a deeply relaxed, drowsy state right before you fall asleep, where your subconscious mind is most open to suggestion. Each night, as you drift off, replay your ideal twin flame scene in your mind. Feel the warmth of their embrace and hear them whisper, "I love you." Feel their presence beside you. Neville said, "Your imagination is God. Your imagination, if you will practice it, will become your reality." By impressing this scene onto your subconscious every night, you begin to shift into the state of being loved, and reality must mirror it. One of the biggest mistakes people make in manifestation is constantly checking for results, asking, "Where is my twin flame?" or "Why haven't they appeared yet?" But Neville taught that once you've impressed the subconscious, you must let it go and trust. You wouldn't plant a seed and then dig it up every day to see if it's growing. You plant it, water it, and trust the process. So, after you've done the inner work, that is, assumed the state of already having love, you must move forward with confidence. Live as if you already have what you desire. And when you do this, the universe must respond in kind. Thousands of people have used Neville's methods to manifest their twin flames. One woman, for example, shared that she imagined herself already being in a loving relationship every night before bed. She even placed a second pillow on her bed as if someone was already there. Within 6 months, she met someone who matched her vision exactly. Another person used self-concept affirmations, reminding themselves daily, "I am deeply loved. I am already in my twin flame union. Love comes easily to me." And soon enough, their twin flame reappeared in their life. These aren't coincidences. This is the power of assumption in action. Now it's your turn. Take these teachings and apply them. Tonight, as you lay in bed, imagine your twin flame already with you. Feel their presence. Assume that your union is already yours. And most importantly, trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring it into reality. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this with others on their twin flame journey. And if you'd like to dive deeper into these techniques, check out the meditation that I've linked below to help you step into your twin flame union. Thank you for watching, and remember, your imagination is the key to everything you desire.